These are for the C10?
Yep.
Where they go?
Right there.
Right there? So we bought the kit. And we are about to get ready and install. So what do you think about the color? What do you think about the color? So they're supposed to be orange. They are orange, but they're more like a gold tint.
I got something.
They look like a gold orange. Okay, came with the harness?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, let's get these installed.
Yeah, it does look like a...
We will get these installed and show y'all what they look like.
Put the other light over there.
That's how it's gonna go. Okay, we'll see how it looks. We'll show y'all right now. So what we had to do, so that the back of the headlight bucket would fit, we had to cut out this piece. This is the back of it so the bulb could go through. I'll show you in a minute. Show them why you're recording like that. Okay, so we can show them why we cut it. Okay, come get closer. Okay, so this is the headlight, and it wasn't clearing the back of the bucket. But now, it'll mount flush. See that? Before cutting it, let me show you with a new bucket. So this is a brand new bucket. So they know why we cut it. See, it won't go through. So what do we do? Cut it.
Cut it.
Trimmed it out. Like that. Now it's gonna fit flush. So, you want to mount it?
Sure.
Okay, so this one says left side.
Left.
So left, but let's do the right.
Right side first?
Yeah, so we can show them how we did it and how it's gonna mount. Okay. So we bought the whole kit. It comes with the screws. These are the screws. So what these do is they're gonna hold it in place. It would be good if I had my drill, but I gotta go get it in the back. I'll go get my drill so we make this a lot easier.
Okay.
On the driver's side. I mean the passenger.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just put these in a little bit, not too far in. So do we have to cut it so the light fits?
Yes.
Yeah, we do. Because we're not running the factory lights. We're running the custom ones. Because Lino wanted orange lights. Oops.
You want me to hold that for you?
No, it's because I'm left-handed and you're recording on that side. But I got it.
I'm recording left hand.
Left-handed? Ooh, I don't want to scratch nothing. This is a brand new this is a brand new grill, brand new bumper. Okay, I got it all. Now I just need the pliers.
I can go get them.
I got it. Where did I put them? Where did I put them?
Check in the toolbox.
So these are gonna hold. That's it. It holds the whole light in place. we'll adjust. These are to adjust the height. And then now, I'm gonna put this back here because we don't need the bulb in there yet. So now, we should be able to put in the light. If we cut it out right, it should fit just like that. And this holds the whole light in place.
And just step back a little.
Whatever, here, record. How does it look from your angle? So what this does, so we're gonna center it. Center the light. Put the tabs where they go. And then we should be able to screw. Just like that. What you think?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll be back once we mount it, but you see how we get the process started. Alright, so that's how it looks installed. That clear ring is what holds the light in place. The bucket that we gutted out is behind it. That's how it looks. Now to do the same on this side. You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
There you go. Push pressure on it and then push it from the back. Yep. All the way tight. I'm gonna do this one.
The top one?
This one right here. All the ones that have the silver on the back. Move the camera out your way.
This one?
The other way, to the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. What way are we going? Righty tighty. Good job, good job.
That good?
Yep. Can we get stuck? Yes, sir.
Last one?
That's it. Good job. So we got them on. We're just missing that chrome bezel that goes right here.
That's all.
We got to order that. But at least we got the lights in.
Can I
See?
see how they look?
Yeah, we'll turn them on right now. Let me do the plugging part now. Here we go. Got them installed. The only thing is I didn't run the... You can run only the outer ring. You could like run it to like a turn signal or something, but I didn't do that for now. I just put them direct so that way I can have lights in case it gets dark. So yeah, that's an install. And if you're wondering where I got these, a lot of people already know you can order the Jeep headlights. So these are the 7-inch housing lights, and they just have a harness, so you don't need a bulb or anything separate. So like before, I was running these. So if anybody needs these, you could have them. Now we're just plug and play.